Before I hop on my next slide, I want to share with you quickly why I'm a proud berabaddie and what being a berabaddie means to me. There has been a lot of fuss on crypto Twitter about berabaddies. Some people love them, some people hate them, and there has been a lot of judgment and unethical movement all over the timeline. So I thought, why not to share my personal experience, how I became a berabaddie, and why I think that's one of the best things I've done for my growth, and why I think that's one of the best things that ever happened to me. Hi, I'm Vanna, and I usually make crypto make sense, but today I'm making berabaddies make sense. I was blessed to meet Keisha, the founder, at DevCon last year during the Mudang event. She told me about her vision, why she built this community. For me, that immediately clicked, and I felt like I want to be a part of this. That's so beautiful. Keisha is building a sisterhood on-chain, sisterhood online. You don't have to be in crypto to join berabaddies. You don't have to know anything. You don't have to create a wallet. There are resources for you to learn about how to do things, but you are not obliged to invest or to buy things or to buy tokens to be a part of it. Membership is absolutely free, and we are going to talk about incentives a little bit later. Keisha took verification very seriously. I joined in October last year and I got verified in February, and she met me in person. She was verifying each and every baddie personally. She booked a calls every single day to make sure there are no leaks, they're not pretending or a sister or a wife of somebody who wants to get rewards and it's not actually a berabaddie. Leaks can happen, nobody's perfect, but she did her best to make sure that doesn't. Let's talk incentives. I personally received a bear airdrop for being early part of berabaddies, but not every berabaddie did. We don't get paid to be part of berabaddies. We don't pay to be part of berabaddies. And that airdrop, I'm gonna tell you, I can't say it changed my life, but in that moment it really did, because it came in a time I really needed it, and it was one of the biggest airdrop I ever got. Apart from the airdrop, I also received, and other baddies have received, whitelist for Steady Teddy's, NFT Mint, and Mibera, and many other projects in berachain. And let me tell you, Keisha makes sure that she raffles every whitelist and everything is decided very fair and equally distributed to all the baddies. And not only that, baddies make awesome events. They put time and sweat to make decoration themselves, to make bracelet themselves, to design the merch, to print, to make the t-shirts and put everything themselves. They're not spoiled women who just get money off of VCs and then they splash around. They really put down their energy to make this fantastic. Let me tell you, the event in Dubai, the villa, the berabaddie villa in Dubai, was one of the best crypto events I've been to. And yes, I say crypto because we had educational part of it. We learned about new wallet and automation of yield and different stuff that berabaddies are working on and projects they are collaborating with. And after that, we had some connection time. We had a self-care time. We did some facials, we did our nails, our hair. I got a massage and I got a facial. And let me tell you, it's so needed. Going around boring conferences, getting another t-shirt that you're not gonna wear. Well, berabaddies do it better. But honestly, the biggest incentive I got, apart from the airdrop and whitelist, is that being part of berabaddie connected me with so many amazing women. It helped me get a genuine engagement on my ex, grow my ex account, and this engagement is not a one-day thing. I've been part of berabaddies for over 8 months now, and these girls support me and I support them every single day. In our Telegram channel, we have Mondays lows and highs, where whoever is comfortable with shares how their week was. And we actually read each other messages and we reply genuinely and support each other no matter what that person is going through. We celebrate our wins, we cry together, and I don't see a reason why you wouldn't want to be a berabaddie. Being part of berabaddie brought me a lot of opportunities as well, because projects want to onboard new users, and as part of this community and somebody who is very active, I can help them do that. One of the reasons I started recording videos and making short videos and guides and tutorials is for berabaddies, and not only for berabaddies, for anyone who is joining crypto space, for anyone who is new, for anyone who is curious and wants to learn and wants to take action. So to sum this up, berabaddies is not just a community, it's a sisterhood. It's a group of women from all over the world, different nationalities, different skin color, who are showing up and supporting each other daily. So next time, if you want to judge berabaddies or say something like that we are unethical, well, thank you for that. It made my most watched video and made berabaddies merch sell like crazy. But if you are a berabaddie and you're watching this, thank you for making it this far. Thank you for supporting me and being part of this community, and you got this. Continue shining, and see you in the next video.